This racing simulator cockpit promises to elevate your gaming experience, but can it truly deliver on that promise? Let's dive in and find out. The Dardoo G923 Racing Simulator Cockpit is designed to be the central nervous system of your sim racing setup, and right out of the box, you can feel the solid construction. It boasts a reinforced triangular structure, which translates to impressive rigidity. No more wobbly wheel stands here. This thing feels planted, especially with the added foot pads at the bottom. One of the standout features is the integrated monitor stand. This isn't just an afterthought. It's a robust mount capable of holding 32 to 55-inch monitors. The adjustability here is key, allowing you to position your display perfectly for an immersive, all-in-one experience. Forget fumbling with separate monitor mounts. This cockpit integrates it seamlessly. The adjustability doesn't stop there. The cockpit itself offers height and angle adjustments, and crucially, the pedal angle can be tweaked to your preference. This is vital for finding that perfect driving position, whether you're leaning forward in a race or settling in for a longer endurance session. Even the rear seat frame section can be adjusted for distance and height, and the gear lever mount can be positioned on either the left or right side, catering to both left and right-hand drive preferences. Compatibility is a big win for the Dardoo G923. It's designed to work with a wide range of popular wheels and pedals, from Logitech, Thrustmaster, and Fanatic. This broad compatibility means you're likely covered if you're already invested in a sim racing ecosystem. However, it's important to remember what's not included. The steering wheel, pedals, shifter, monitor, and seat are all sold separately. This is a cockpit frame, a foundation for your ultimate setup. While the build quality feels excellent and the adjustability is top-notch, the real magic happens when you're actually in the seat, feeling the immersion. The stability it provides really lets you focus on the driving, translating those subtle pedal inputs and wheel movements with confidence. It's a significant step up from a desk-mounted setup, offering a more authentic racing feel. In conclusion, the Dardoo G923 Racing Simulator Cockpit is a well-built, highly adjustable, and broadly compatible solution for serious sim racers. If you're looking to build a dedicated racing rig and want a solid, stable foundation with integrated monitor support, this cockpit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.